Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here and welcome to episode 536 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, HIVE is acquiring GPU Atlantic, EBON is launching an LTC and Doge mining business, BNXA has reported its Q2 financials, and DIGI.C has launched CryptoDivine.ai. Just before we get into the show, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And while you're at it, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. HIVE Blockchain Technologies Limited, which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol HIVE, has signed a share purchase agreement with GPU.1 Holding Inc. to expand HIVE's Canadian footprint through the purchase of 100% of the shares of GPU Atlantic Inc., a $25 million Canadian acquisition that will give HIVE ownership of a 50-megawatt substation and a data center campus in Grand Falls, New Brunswick, with a dedicated crypto mining operation with access to 50 megawatts of low-cost green power. Frank Holmes, the executive chairman of HIVE, said, quote, "This acquisition further enables HIVE to continue in its objective of having control of its destiny, including significant capacity for expansion and flexibility for our future operations. We now have a 50-megawatt data center campus to build up and a home for our new generation Bitcoin miners. We are also very excited about integrating new members of the GPU-1 team into our ranks and deploying their in-house mining management software into our operations on a global scale." End quote. EBON International Holdings Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol EBON, has passed a resolution to launch a Litecoin and Dogecoin mining business, which according to a press release will operate by adopting a combination of deploying self-manufactured mining machines and mining machines purchased from other manufacturers, as well as leasing computing powers from other mining farms, and allow Litecoin and Doge to be mined simultaneously. eBank's chairman and CEO Dong Hu said, quote, "We will develop Litecoin and Doge mining on the basis of our Bitcoin mining business. The development of the business will further promote our related crypto-focused businesses and increase our revenue. We believe this move will accelerate the company's transformation from solely a hardware manufacturer to a diversified and vertically integrated blockchain company with comprehensive involvements in the blockchain industry value chain." End quote. BNXA Holdings Inc., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol BNXA, has reported its Q2 financial results for 2020, indicating a 3-month revenue increase of 228% from the same period in 2019. Specifically, the company boasted $4.5 million Australian in revenue for the 3 months ended December 31st, 2020, as compared to $1.4 million Australian for the same period in 2019. BNXA's CEO Holger Arians said, quote, "Our capable team continues to work tirelessly in order to drive the business forward. I am excited with the results to date, with the realization that the industry is still in its infancy. I see opportunity for organic growth as we continue on our mandate of onboarding the masses to digital currencies." End quote. Finally, DIGI.C Blockchain Solutions Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol DIGI, has launched CryptoDivine.ai, a crypto price trend indicator app for public use. The app boasts 8 proprietary technical trading indicators, as well as a DigiMax proprietary crypto price trend indicator for each cryptocurrency the company analyzes, the latter of which is continuously updated and trained on the company's machine learning ticker regime platform. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.